Hello students, this is Geethanjali. In the previous video, we learned about the genetic code, and this video will be learning about mutation. So mutation is actually a change in the structure or number of genes in the chromosomes. So any sort of abnormality in the structure or the number of genes or in the DNA sequence of the genes will be termed as a mutation. Mutations are caused by either chemical or physical agents called mutagens. So these mutagens are able to penetrate our cells and change the DNA sequences and genes of our chromosomes. So they can be X-rays, radioactive substances, tobacco, UV radiations, etc. In general, we have two types of mutations. We have point mutations and chromosome mutations. So, point mutations are of three types. Again, when we say point mutations, we usually refer to the mutations that occur in the DNA sequence, and they refer to one single nucleotide. Suppose this is AGTC. Point mutation deals with a particular nucleotide. Either this nucleotide can be substituted or it can be deleted, or another nucleotide could be added. So in that case, we make up three types: substitution, insertion, and deletion. The insertion and deletion point mutations together are called the frame shift mutation. So let us understand why it is called frame shift mutation. So let us take an example of a code here. So let us say this is our genetic code. Now let us insert a U over here. So before inserting a U over here, this will be read as AUG, triple G, and then UGG. But as soon as you insert U over here, our genetic code will change and it will be read as AUG, UGG, GUG. So you can see here, two of the amino acids are changed. Here it is the same, but here and here it is different. So the entire genetic code which is there, it will be different, and the protein altogether formed will be different because of the different amino acids being produced. Same case with deletion. If you delete either of them, the entire code will be read wrong. So that is why so you can see here the entire reading frame of the code, it is shifted either by addition of one or deletion of any nucleotide. So that is why we call it frame shift mutation. Coming to chromosome mutations. Chromosome mutations can be of four types. In these mutations, we talk about either the insertion, deletion, duplication, or translocation of genes. So in these cases, a group of nucleotides are either deleted, inserted, or the same group of nucleotides is repeated. So in that case, we call it duplication, or a group of nucleotides is transferred from one chromosome to another, which is called translocation.